Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at a Manchester City shirt. I've got to say I really like the design of this one. This shirt was purchased from a new seller. I'm not overly sure how to pronounce their website. It's like ASSON jersey, it's like Asson jersey. Really not sure what the actual name is. But yeah, it's a new seller, so I thought I would try them out and see what we get. Prices are a little bit higher. So expecting better quality than what we get off some of the other sellers. I do also have a discount code, which is, I think it's MCX, I think. I'll have to have a look, but I'll put it in the description of this video. It might be that or it might be MatchuCx. I can't actually remember now, but I will put it in the description of this video. I'll also leave a link to DHgate for Manchester City items. So if you don't want to purchase from this website, there is somewhere else that you can have a look at. But as I said, this is a new seller, so it's the first time we've looked at their items, and delivery timescales was about 13 to 14 days, I think, so pretty good as we start to expect from these sort of sellers. Shirt comes in a standard Puma bag, and on the flip side, it is plain. If you are new around here, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If you've got any questions, comments, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you've also used this seller, please do let me know what the quality of your items was like. But as I said, AssonJersey.com, AssonJersey.com. All the information will be in the description of this video, along with the discount code. So let's get this bag open and have a look at the Manchester City shirt. Okay, we've got the front of the shirt here, and it's got a proper collar on it. A little bit folded there from where it's been in the bag, but once it's been worn, that will soon crease back down. Sleeve has the Puma embroidered in. Puma embroidered on the front of the shirt, and also the Puma embroidered on this sleeve. And you've got a sleeve sponsor there. Manchester City crest has been embroidered in, but it is like a rubbery feel. Etihad has been heat pressed on. I do love the design and colour of this one. This was the Oasis, was it the Noel Gallagher inspired shirt, or he designed it? I'm not sure which way around, but honestly, it looks so nice. We have the Puma authentic licensed football tag. It has just got some plastic over it. That just peels off, and then you can see it nicely. And on this side, we have the Duracell again, the plastic on it, which just peels off to show the Duracell underneath. A really nice looking shirt. I just stop in there for a second because I just love the way the yellow goes into this like orangey colour at the bottom there. Absolutely amazing. Really nice. Okay, we're on to the back. The collar line follows around, and then you've got Definitely City. So obviously a take from the Definitely Maybe, but with Definitely City being Manchester City. No names or numbers or anything on the back of this one. I kept it plain. More so because I just like the look of it. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Stitching all looks good. Yeah, the joins all look perfect. A couple of creases from the bag, as you can see down here. I'll zoom out a little bit, but nothing to worry about at all. Sleeves look good under the arms, looks fine. Yeah, spot on. Flip it around now and we'll look at the inside as well. Okay, we're on the inside of the shirt now. And the collar looks lovely. Man City patch, as I said, it's been embroidered on. Although it is a rubber on the outside, it has been embroidered on. See a little bit of stitching there, but nothing that you would not expect to see. Likewise, the Puma. It's gone on quite well, actually. Sleeve Puma, it's pretty much the same, to be fair. The join tends to be at the bottom. Let's just check it on this one as well. Yeah, exactly the same, which is fine. We've got a sleeve sponsor on this side. There's a crease for it from the bag, but nothing to be concerned by. Etihad Airways, that's gone on so nice. Feels really, really good. Stitching at the bottom looks good. Slight join there. Probably could have been chopped off, but that's me just being a little bit picky in all honesty. The rest of it all looks good. We do have our washing instructions here. Recommendation with these shirts is to hand wash them and let them hang dry. Do not put them in a tumble dryer. You do have a Puma QR code there, probably bring up some random item. That's the first part of the inside done. Let's look at the second side. Okay, got the final part of the inside of the shirt. Collar looks good. We have a Puma tag, Manchester City official partner, Forever Better, size XL. This is the fans version, so the size is going to be spot on. You have some more Puma information, made in Thailand, size XL, Forever Better refiber. A little bit of excess stitching there. A little bit there, but scissors will soon sort that out. By pushing on the shirt, you can just about make out the sponsor there, so it gives you an indication of the lightness of the material. It is quite a shiny, glossy material. But that's the inside of the shirt. And there is our Manchester City Oasis-Inspired shirt for the 24-25 season from, I still don't know how to say it, asonjersey.com. I will leave the website URL in the description of this video. I'll also try and leave a DHgate link for some Manchester City items as well. So then you've got a decision of where you want to take a look. There was a discount code, as I mentioned at the start, and it's MCX. I did try to get MatchuCx, but yeah, they wanted something slightly shorter. So MCX is the one that we'll run with. So it's a play, obviously, on the YouTube name. So if you were to use that, you will save yourself some money at the checkout. It doesn't have to be on this item, it can be any items on their website. What do you think of this one? Do you like it as much as I do? If you do or don't, leave a comment below and let me know. I think this looks absolutely amazing. I just love the colours. Even the badge has got it as well. Looks absolutely outstanding. But yeah, asonjersey.com, URL in the description of this video. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure you hit like and subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next one.